Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is Time Capsule, which is the 15th prompt. Very excited to be pretty much halfway through the challenge. This is the furthest I have ever gotten with one of these. I have tried several times to do December dailies because that's not even the full 30. I think it's only 12 actually, and I've never managed to actually do it. So this is giving me hope that I might actually be able to do it this year in December, or I might do Junk Journal January, but we'll see, because this is actually it's a bit of a commitment, so we'll see. I am enjoying it, but there is a lot to it. I have to keep showing up, So today's prompt is Time Capsule, and I was thinking of doing an actual capsule in the book. I could build the front of a suitcase or a treasure chest or something, and maybe put photographs or little keepsakes into it. And then I decided against that because the journal itself is pretty much a time capsule of the month of July 2025. That's what this entire thing is going to be. So I decided to do something that would represent a time capsule. So what I've decided on is books, which isn't the first time I'm after doing something to do with books in this. But I think a book is a capsule of the time that it was written. It is a representation of the time that it was written, even if it's not set in that time. A historical novel, a historical romance written by Sarah MacLean is different to an historical romance written by Georgette Hare, even though they might be set in pretty much the same time period, but the life of the author does affect the way the characters behave. Even if they're trying to represent the same historical time, they are still different. The women tend to be a bit more independent, a bit more outspoken in later books or more recently released books. So that is one way. And another way then is a library book is a great time capsule, because you get this thing, I don't know what you call it, the library card that's always in the front of the book that has a list. Actually, I don't know if they're in library books anymore. That's in the front of the book that has everyone's stamp of when it was taken out. So that is a nice little time capsule of the life of that particular book. So that is what I am going to go for with this one. So I'm just using this book page that I've stained very lightly. And then I have these, which I just found online. I haven't a clue where, because I got them ages ago and printed them. So I have them a long time. They're probably just search for them on Google or something like that, or on Pinterest. And I'm just going to do a bit of a collage because this side of the journal is now sticking up quite a bit. The page is quite curved. You can see there, it's got a big slope on it. So I'm not going to put too much on this side, and I'll probably do all my bigger, any more 3D and thick things will just be on this side, and these pages are going to end up being more of a collage type thing. But I might end up doing actually what I did with this one, which was I made it outside of the journal and then just stuck it in. So that might be something I will do in future spreads as well. So for today, we're just gonna work away on this little collage, this little book inspired collage. So I have these few elements, and then I'm gonna see what else I might add. I have some book spine washi stickers, and then I think I have some other stuff in some other things. I want to add the Jane Austen element if I can somewhere. So yeah, let's just get into it. So that's it for time capsule for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.